I have a Google spreadsheet that I really need to share. There's a couple of ways I can do that. So often for an assignment, I need to provide a link to the file. So that's the get link. I could just copy it, but notice it says restricted, which means if I send anybody the link, they can't do anything with it. I need to change that. And I want anyone with the link to be able to view the file. So instead of restricted, anyone with the link. And then I can get that link. It's been copied. And now I have that link. I can share it out to anyone in an assignment. If your Google account belongs to some institution, like a college or a high school, then the share is going to look a little bit different. So it doesn't matter whether it's a Google Doc or a Google Sheet. The sharing is the same way, or other Google files. When you first go to share and you want to copy a link, it's going to be restricted. At first, it says, hey, share with people there, but what if it's someone outside of that institution that you want to share with? So then you have to go and let anyone with the link share. So if you have a public Google account, like your name at google.com, email address or gmail.com email address, then just switch from anyone with the link can view. If it's a high school or college Google account, then you have to not only get it off restricted, but you don't want it to be necessarily stuck on that university or college or high school. If somebody's not in that, you want to make sure you switch to anyone with the link, then copy the link and you're ready to share it. So that is now in my my drive. So then I could go wherever I need to go and I could just paste that link in, and there's the sharing link anybody can use. And that's that.